Don't download Whoop Strap 4.0 app before watching this. Before you download the Whoop Strap 4.0 app, here's the surprising truth most users miss. It's not just a fitness tracker. Whoop 4.0 focuses on recovery, strain, and sleep performance, but without a strategy, all the data can be overwhelming and unhelpful. Step 1. Set clear goals. Are you tracking recovery for athletic performance, general fitness, or stress management? Most people get this wrong by focusing only on steps or heart rate, which misses the app's core value. Step 2. Wear the strap consistently. Accurate sleep and recovery data require continuous wear day and night. The surprising truth is, skipping even one night can skew weekly readiness scores. Step 3. Engage with the insights. Whoop provides personalized recommendations on strain limits, seat targets, and recovery optimization. Ignoring these tips makes the app little more than a fancy pedometer. Step 4. Analyze trends, not single data points. One low recovery score isn't a failure, it's the pattern over weeks that matters. Users who obsess over daily fluctuations often misinterpret results. Step 5. Integrate behavior changes. Adjust training intensity, bedtime routines, and recovery practices based on the app's suggestions. Without follow-through, the data won't translate into performance gains. The upside: proper use of Whoop 4.0 can improve sleep quality, optimize workouts, and reduce overtraining risk. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts report better energy management and injury prevention when they follow its recommendations closely. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you commit to wearing it consistently, engaging with the insights, tracking trends, and making lifestyle adjustments based on the data. Casual users looking just for step tracking may find simpler apps sufficient. Subscribe for tips on turning wearable data into real fitness results.